Hey guys,
Hey.
and, welcome back to another episode of Cindy's food review. This is Michael that wants to try. Those are 2 for $4 bacon, egg, and cheese. But which one is that?
Not bacon, egg, and cheese.
Which one?
Sausage and egg.
Oh, you order it?
McMuffins.
Yeah. Well, he ordered that, so he wanted to make a food review about it.
That's right.
Well, I try to touch my roots here.
2 for $4. And yes, it has cheese on it too. Sausage, egg, and cheese.
Sausage, egg, and cheese.
Yes.
That's what he says, guys.
That's
Sausage,
right.
egg, and cheese there. And while he's doing that, all I want to do here,
What are you doing?
I'm going to put hair dye in my hair.
That's
See my hair, how it's all that white. Michael, pick up that paper.
Oh.
And he wants to see how those things are. Me, I'm going to dye my hair with this Garnier. It was $1 off. It was $6.97 and $1 off. It cost me $5.97.
That's right.
Try to touch my roots because it doesn't matter how much I dye my hair. The next day, sometimes the same day, hair starts coming, flying up, you know.
I found my first white hair last year.
First time I saw a white hair in my head, I was like 35, and I freaked out.
Oh yeah?
Is there a line there that I'm supposed to like bend?
Right here.
Oh, where?
Right here. You break it off.
Can't
then.
see it.
You want to do it for you?
Oh.
It's so good, man.
I don't know if I'm in the right. But you don't want the oil getting out.
You want a master. Look at that.
Because you can see. But Mama blind. That's right. Let me see that, Michael.
Yes, scissors.
And Michael likes playing games. You see that? That's better now. I see I fixed that.
Playing
better.
games.
Yeah, I have my
It's kind of like
scissors.
hack open.
Huh?
Anyways, we're going to be doing more food reviews.
What do you mean half open? Jeez.
It's half open. We're going to be doing more food
If
reviews.
I would have my glasses, I would have this open already. But I gotta deal with this one over here. They can never see. You know, I can see things better than they can. Unreal.
She's right about that. Look at that.
And then what it says here. Is that my collard cream?
The sausage, the cheese,
What?
the egg.
Oh, you like that? How much?
Have all the breakfast items at McDonald's. This is my
I'm in my
favorite.
bathroom. so
Sausage
I'm good.
McMuffin with egg. So it says on the wrapper.
Yeah. Then close this. I'm just trying to preparing everything together here.
Preparing.
Is that says conditioner there?
Yes, and in Spanish it's
Acondicionador.
tratamiento.
It's just treatment.
All right, I learned something today.
Do you put the treatment? Does it look like the treatment goes in there?
This
Or no, right?
is
No.
Spanish. It's the other side.
The other side.
Oh,
No,
okay.
The conditioner is for later, right?
Easy preparation to mix. Put the gloves on. Twist off the applicator tip.
I did.
The nourishing cream.
I
And
did.
remove cap from bottle. Squeeze out the entire contents of the nurturing color cream tube into the nourishing cream developer bottle.
Developer bottle.
Do not point either end of the tube towards face while opening or using. Wow, why would anybody do that?
No. Where's my gloves? When I get gloves,
No gloves
supposed
today.
to come. Yeah, but this is supposed to come with gloves. Unbelievable.
No gloves, no gloves.
Yeah.
We have latex gloves that we bought
But where are they?
under your sink.
Oh, they are here? Okay. So yeah, okay. So I'll do my gloves. You see, these people, they got some nerves.
If you like this review, tell us down below.
Yeah, Michael's hitting that hard. That sandwich there, guys.
What fast food review
And where's
or
the
fast
gloves at,
food
Michael? You said they're down here?
restaurant you want us to go to next? Yeah, it's down there, Mama. It's in that box right there.
Where?
In that box?
There's nothing in here.
The latex gloves.
There's no latex gloves here.
I put them up here. You sure about that?
I think they're downstairs. I'll go down and
I can get 'em.
Okay. No, but you can't because you're doing your video there about your food that you wanna put on your sandwiches there that you eating. I used to eat that a lot, but not anymore.
Not anymore.
Where's the gloves at? They're under the sink.
They're downstairs. In my desk.
No, you go get
In
them.
the second drawer.
Because I need to put this
But
on.
you gotta talk to everybody.
So go, I'll talk to them.
Okay, I'll be right back.
You'll be right back, but I need my thing because I need to dye my hair and you know what I'm saying? It's getting messed up for me and that ain't right. So anyways, meanwhile, while he is getting that, I'm gonna go get my little, speaker. This is my bathroom, by the way, that I'm sitting here in. See, I already like separated my hair. You see all that? So I'm gonna have to dye all that hair. Wood. Yeah. Oh, and this is my melasma. You see, it's starting to get lighter and go away. And now that one there, that's from sunglasses. But I think it's starting to go away. Well, anyways, Michael, come on! Oh, there he is. He's coming now. I was telling people about my melasma and all that. Here you have brought him all.
All of them.
Didn't have to do that.
At least you have more than one pair.
Just one. So anyway, you can like talk to everybody about your sandwich and how good you like it and
Well,
how it came raked up and
From a 1 to 10, guys, this is a 10.
that's what he says.
So good. Delicious.
Says they're delicious. So I know they are. I used to like the ones that look like pancakes. Those are my favorite ones. But with no cheese. Like the pancake with the sausage. I can't eat them now. It really sucks though.
Are these the gloves?
Not to be able.
These are the gloves that it came with.
Oh, probably.
They're on the
And
floor.
they felt?
Yep.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
right. Well, anyways, 10 out of 10. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit us up on Instagram, Facebook. Like us and follow us on Twitter, Pinterest, Patreon. Check out the Life Abundance link down below if you have a puppy or a cat. Get them some nice, delicious dog food. We love you all. Mom loves you here, right, Mom?
Yep, I love everybody too.
And have a
Just trying to make my head done.
That's right. Have a
Just the
wonderful,
roots.
wonderful Wednesday.
Yeah, hump day.
Hump day. Happy Slurpee Day.
And happy Slurpee Day. Go to any 7-Eleven and get your free Slurpee. Don't have to pay for it. You go in, fill it up, go to the cashier, and they're like, okay, you can go on your way out. You don't have to purchase the gas. You don't have to purchase anything.
That's right.
Just go in and get your Slurpee. Slurpee Day at any 7-Eleven across the United States. And with that, we're going to let you go. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook.
That's right.
Look us up on Pinterest, on Google+, on everywhere. And go down the link below if you have any animals that you want to give some good dog food. Well, we have Life Abundance.
That's right.
.com/for-all.
That's
That
right.
will be my link. You can look it down below and you can try the dog food. And if you like it, you like it. And if you don't like it, hey, at least I'm trying to tell you about something that is really, really good and that you'll never, it will change the skin of your dogs. Their eyes will get nice and shiny. Their nails will be nice and strong. Their hair will be pretty and shiny and a nice coat. I'm telling you.
And more videos are coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned in.
Yep, and after I'm done with my hair and I blow dry it, I'll show you guys. Let's see how it came out. Okay, guys? So with that, over and out. Peace out. Good hump day. Love you all.
Love you.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this one, eating those sandwiches.
I sure did.
Okay, bye-bye now.